Welcome to the Fashion Angle. Today I've discovered a really important designer who's tackling sustainability head on with recycling synthetic materials to make her designs. Come meet Cadia Belante. So we're really intrigued with your concept of design and how you're upcycling sleeping bags and sleeping gear to create your designs. So tell us a bit of the history about that.
It's something I was working on in my final year of practice at RMIT. I studied a Bachelor of Fashion Design. So throughout the years at RMIT, I was aware that I was interested in upcycling, recycling, using materials to create new garments. Going to the op shop every week and just noting down the items that never seem to leave the op shop. So I was thinking about the qualities of the sleeping, thinking about how they're durable, they're insulating, they're quite compactable as an item.
How about let's go take a journey to where you source your items from, our trusty op shop. We've just got our purchases for some next designs. So tell me what you look for when you source these fabrics.
Yeah, well, generally I sort of try and think about what sleeping bags I already have, think about the colours, and yeah, generally the quality of them is also quite important. So looking for, like, ideally ones with quite good down.
Yeah. What have we got with this one?
So this one I've got like a little owl out here. With these cute little ears.
So you'll see this in the next collection, for sure. So Cadia, take us through some steps of production and how you create your garments for your collections.
Yeah, right. Well, I have two ways of working. So one way is to completely deconstruct the sleeping bag, so by removing all of the layers, and then reconstructing it into a new garment. So basically by putting the pattern pieces on top of all of the layers, cutting it out, and then creating your own design lines. And yeah, so deconstructing and then re-engineering into a new garment form. And then the second way is by utilizing the whole sleeping bag, so placing the pattern pieces on the entire piece, then cutting it out that way, and yeah, so utilizing all the layers joined together.
And what do you do with the offcuts of the sleeping bags? Do you use them for anything else with your designs?
Yeah, so I do try to utilize as much the fabric as possible, but I also, when I can, utilize the zippers, the cord and the toggles. So the zippers are then repurposed into the new fashion garment if they need to be shortened. The toggles are generally used for like jewelry or fastenings to tie up any ends. And then I also utilize the offcuts, toggles and cord in order to create accessories such as rings, necklaces and bracelets.
Now we're back at the Social Studio in Collingwood, where Cadia has her latest collection in the window display and also on sale here for us. So tell us a bit about the pieces and what your overall goal is for this collection.
Yeah, so this collection, I guess, was inspired by pop culture and just using art and fashion together to create this wearable art.
This looks very wearable art.
Yeah,
you see the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle there.
Yeah, so basically just really looking at children's sleeping bags for a change, focusing on the possibilities that children wear without their children's clothing. And also feel like when I do create a new collection, I don't actually have the idea initially. It's sort of like done in the opposite direction.
Yeah, so it all comes together at the end of it.
Yeah, totally. So I'll be like thinking about the sleeping bags that I do have and seeing what works and what comes together and then creating.
Just mash it all
Mash it,
together
see.
and here we go.
Yeah, seeing what happens.
So, because this is your camouflage collection,
Yeah.
so tell us a bit about behind the name and how you come up with that one.
Right, so I was sort of just thinking about, I guess, a reflection on myself and sort of blending into society, culture, and just wanting to camouflage within it.
Yeah, we all love to do that.
Yeah, totally.
And what is one message that you would like to give to our audience about sustainability in the fashion industry?
Yeah, sure. I'd just like to say that how important it is to really sort of make yourself aware of where your clothes are coming from, who is making the clothes you're wearing, and yeah, really support local design.
Thanks so much for being here with us today. You can find Cadia's designs for sale at the Social Studio in Collingwood, on her web store www.cadiabelante.com, and at Brunswick Designer Space. Thanks for watching.